This is is the rubbish sound, and it is very smelly. To make it, we lift up our top lip and scrunch up our noses to make a sound as if we are smelling a yucky rubbish bin. Is a long sound, and like the other long sounds, makes it sound for a long time. Likes to go into words like girl, her, burger, and bird. Is a bit different from the other big sounds. His favourite letter isn't a big sound letter. Loves letter R. Letter R is a small sound letter. And because is a big sound, can't go into letter R on its own. So, goes into any big sound letter that is next to letter R, just so it can be close to its favourite letter. We can see in ER, OR, UR, and IR. Doesn't care which letters it goes into, as long as it can be next to its favourite letter R. The only big sound letter that doesn't go into next to R is A. R loves AR almost as much as loves letter R, and it doesn't let go inside its favourite letters. Instead, if wants to go into a letter A next to a letter R, it has to add another letter to make EAR. It doesn't like to go into all of those letters, so it lets go inside. But doesn't mind. All it cares about is getting as close to letter R as possible.